Hello again, everybody. The dog moved. Hello. Welcome. The dog has moved again. Hello from me and hello from Rosie. Hang on. Quick mic check. Reddit engine. Okay, I'll cut that bit out. I've just come back from a week of working in Germany, so I am going to do a very quick lasagna in 2 minutes, as in it takes 2 minutes to cook it. I think it's going to be a winner, and I'm going to do this as a short, so it's going to be short. Let's give it a go. Okay, step number 1 of the easy lasagna. Take off the lid. Get a pair of scissors. Take off this film thing here. Shuffle some of the cheese back. And put that into an oven at about 180 degrees for about 35 minutes. Take some garlic bread, cut the end off it, and put that on a baking tray for about 10 minutes. Crazy time. Italian food. French melback. Give that a go.
If you like this video, why don't you subscribe?